Welcome to Mikab Model College online tutorial. We hope at the end of this lesson, you will have acquired the expected learning outcome. Sit down and listen attentively as we introduce your subject teacher.
Je m'appelle Madame Mary, votre professeur de français. Hello viewers, my name is Madame Mary, your French teacher. In our last class, we discussed nationality. That is nationality and country that are speaking French. Today, we want to discuss the profession, which is profession in French. The first one on my list is avocat. Avocat. Avocat, which means lawyer or solicitor. Avocat means what? Lawyer or solicitor. Repeat after me. Avocat. Avocat. You can see that the T is not pronounced because it is silent. So we pronounce it as avocat. And it means a lawyer or solicitor in English. The next one is journalist. Journalist. They are newscaster. Journalist. Journalist. Répétez encore. Journalist. Newscaster. Commerçant. Commerçant. Répétez. Commerçant. They are what? Trader. Professor. Professor. It is not professor. It is professor. It means what? Teacher. Doctor. Doctor. It means what? Doctor. Chauffeur. Chauffeur. It means a driver. Engineer. 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 Les affaires. Les affaires. I told you in our last class that whenever a vowel is following a consonant, you pronounce them together. So that is why we pronounce this one as les affaires. Now repeat it encore. Les affaires. Les affaires. It means a business. Butcher. 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 Dentist. Dentist. You can call it dentist or dentist in French. So it means what? Dentist. Now let's go over it again. Let's go to number 1 and start the pronunciation again. Avocat. Avocat. Journalist. Journalist. Commerçant. Commerçant. Professor. Professor. Doctor. Doctor. Chauffeur. Chauffeur. Engineer. Engineer. Les affaires. Les affaires. Butcher. Butcher. Dentist. Dentist. Now we want to make sentence with this profession in French. Introduce the members of your family and their profession. Now I want to introduce the member of my family with their profession now in French. Mon grand-père est avocat. Mon grand-père est avocat. That is, my grandfather is a lawyer. My grandfather is a lawyer. Ma grand-mère est professeur. Ma grand-mère est professor. My grandmother is a teacher. My grandmother is a teacher. Mon père est journaliste. Mon père est journaliste. My father is a newscaster. My father is a newscaster. Ma mère est commerçante. Ma mère est commerçante. My mother is a trader. My mother is a trader. Ma tante est dentiste. Ma tante est dentiste. My aunt is dentist. My aunt is dentist. You can see that it is very easy for you to make sentence with those professions if you know how to read them very well in French. You can try it at home with your friend. You can pick one of them and rehearse it together. You'll see, you'll be able to say it very well in French. This will be the end of today's class. Join me in another class where we'll be discussing an interesting topic. But don't forget to subscribe to our channel